The National Irrigation Administration, or NIA, has assured that low-lying areas near dams will not be affected by the approaching Typhoon Uwan. Even before the typhoon makes landfall, dams are already releasing water to ensure sufficient capacity for incoming rainfall. Should the dams reach full capacity, diversion dams are on standby. The NIA uses Tomorrow.io, a smart weather forecasting system capable of predicting rainfall volume up to 2 weeks before a weather disturbance arrives, providing ample time to prepare for the incoming typhoon.
As of today po, nag-preemptive release na po tayo sa ating dam sa Magat. Ano po? Pero itong Pantabangan naman natin ay malayo po mapuno yan eh. So again, ayon dito sa ating smart weather forecasting system, yan po ang kagandahan ngayon at meron tayo niyan. Na-forecast po natin yung volume ng babagsak na tubig sa mga catchment areas. So hindi ho tayo nagsasayang ng tubig.